Hello students, welcome back to our channel and I am your physics lecturer. In this today's video, we will derive the relation between critical angle and the refractive index of the medium. So here I have taken this diagram where the incident angle will be equal to the critical angle, and you will see that the refracted ray grazes the interference. That means the refraction angle becomes 90 degree. Okay, so this particular diagram I have taken. This is nothing but total internal reflection dalle baruvanta diagram idu. Adu complete agi na bidisliಲ್ಲ, but only this part I have taken to show that incident angle is a critical angle. At critical angle, refraction angle becomes 90 degree. And the refracted ray grazes the interface. Okay, so now see here, this is the denser medium and this is the rarer medium. Assume the rarer medium has a refractive index n1 and denser medium has a refractive index n2, right? See, when a ray of light travels from where? Travels from denser to rarer medium, right? To rarer medium, denser to rarer medium travel ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ refractive index ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? So refractive index ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ? By applying the Snell's law. So according to Snell's law, so what the Snell's law says, that sin I by sin r equal to a constant. Sin I by sin r is equals to a constant. Sin I by sin r equal to a constant. But that constant, can I write it in terms of refractive index? So we have seen in our previous video where we have studied Snell's law, the laws of refraction. So there I have told you that constant can also be equal to refractive index of the medium. So what is that? Refractive index of the medium ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನಾವು? ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ರೇರರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ರೇರರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಆ ನಂಬರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಹೇಗೆ? ಸೈನ್ ಐ ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್, relative refractive index. How you will write that relative refractive index? Where the ray is bending in, light ray is bending where? In the rarer medium. Still it is in the rarer medium. It is grazing the interface, but still it is in the rarer medium. So bending the first baribeku, amele incident agiddu amele baribeku. Right? So N12 is what? Refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2. Okay, I hope you understood this part. Okay, see, when an angle of incidence is equal to a critical angle, ಅಂದರೆ when our incident angle is equal to a critical angle, I equal to C ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? When I equal to C, then the angle of refraction, that is R, becomes what? 90 degree. This is the phenomenon what is happening over here, right? Exactly. So that's what I have written here. So in this case, how you will write the Snell's law? Okay, now we will substitute this. Therefore N12 equal to, right, sin I by, what is R here? When I equal to C, what will be the R? 90 degree. So that I'll write here 90 degree, sin 90 degree. This is nothing but angle I equal to, I is C, angle I is C, I'll substitute here, and R is 90 degree, so I'll substitute here. So therefore idenagutte? Sin C agutte, because sin 90 enide, sin 90 is 1, because sin 90 is equal to 1. So therefore n12 can be written as is equal to sin c, right? But we know that the light ray, it follows the principle of reversibility. Light ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪಾತನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೋದರೂ ಹೀಗೆ ರಿಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದರೂ ಇದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ರಿಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ explained it in my previous video. You can go and watch it. Okay, now since according to reversibility, so what is the relation? We have seen it that n12 equal to 1 by n1 n21, isn't it? The refractive index of medium 1 with respect to 2 is equal to 1 by refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. So this is the principle of reversibility. So in place of n12, can I write 1 by n21? Yes, can I write this in place of this one? Yes, surely. So therefore ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ 1 by n21 equal to sin c ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this implies I require here n21, so I'll send this n21 here and sin c here. This equal to 1 by sin c. So this is the relation between refractive index of the medium and the critical angle. See, you may get 2 marks question on this, or directly they may ask you the question for 1 marks. Mention the expression for the critical angle in expression for refractive index of the medium in terms of critical angle anta kelbodu, or mention the relation between critical angle and the refractive index of the medium anta kelbodu. So you can just write this expression.